Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check how many people viewed your Instagram profile. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if you want to see how many people visited your profile, you have to switch from a personal account to professional account on Instagram. You can go to your profile first, and you have to open the Instagram setting by clicking on the three lines on the top right, and you have to scroll down until you find the account type and tools, this one. Okay, and you have to click on switch to professional account. Okay, and you just need to click on continue, 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 and here I'm just going to select a digital creator, for example. Then we just need to click on done and just wait for a moment until the process complete. And here you can select creator or business, and I'm gonna go with creator. Then we just need to click on next. Okay, and you can set up your professional account, but we can do it later. We can click on the X button, and we can wait guys, I'm going to refresh it first. Okay, we can click on professional dashboard. Then here you can select the account reached, this one. Okay, and you can scroll down a little bit, and this is your profile visits. And here, as you can see, that 4 people visited my profile on Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can see how many people viewed our profile on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.